Hey, Mark Fitzpatrick here. We are at the beginning of another renovation. Beautiful condo here in North Bethesda. Yes, it will be beautiful when we're done. Right now, we're going to give you a quick look before you actually start to see the transformation, so you can see what it looks like now, and then you can see what it looks like after. Look at the cameras right here, right? So anyway, let's take a look. Kiko has just got started in demoing, I think, bathroom, so we'll find out right now. So that vanity there, just visualize, since it's already been ripped out, you're looking at the same styles right here. Just like that, just not quite as long, but basically this part here, that extension is what goes on with these soaking tubs. So we're gonna make this disappear right here. I'm gonna get out of the way here. The shower is right here, right? Tiny shower, and you can see, let's get a shot of the bedroom. Just carpet and not super appealing. So that's pretty much the way it looks throughout. There's a little bit more light. So you can see, not really appealing right now, but hang on, it's gonna look a lot better real soon. And we'll bring you back in throughout the process to see this one from start to finish, to turn this ugly condo in a prime location. This is number 2. Follow us on this, check us out, and you'll see what happens from start to finish. And we look forward to taking you for the ride. See you soon.